Ina just got a present. Where's your present?
Over there.
Where? Show me.
Over there.
Show
Where
me.
is it?
Over there.
Who gave it to you?
It's Anna.
Who gave it to you?
Who sent it? Who gave it to Ina? Who's it from? It's from Nana.
Who sent you the present?
Nana. Say Nana. My grandma. Without the banana in your mouth. Who sent it? My grandma.
You want to open your present?
Yeah, I opened my present.
Who gave it to you?
It's Anna's.
Who gave it to you?
It's Anna's.
Who
Who
gave it
gave
to
it?
you?
Who sent it to Ina?
It's Anna's.
Say grandma sent it.
Then I said that.
Who?
Then
Grandma.
Dana.
Nana.
Dana.
You want to open it? Put it on the chair.
Oh, how?
No, I'll put it here on the chair for you. Let's see. Hold on. Say, what do you say?
Tea.
No, you say, thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Look right here and tell her. Say, thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Okay. You want to open it? Open it.
Yeah.
Open it.
I can take the stickers off.
You want to take the stickers off?
Yeah. It's too small. Too big.
Do you know how to open it?
Too big. I can open stickers.
You need help opening it?
Yeah.
Go like this. Tear it. Mama, can you help Ina open it?
It's too by itself, Mama.
Send it to her.
Look, Daddy, look, Mama, I opened by itself. I taking sticker off. Look, Mama.
Hurry! You don't open it? Oh, it sounds like something special's in here. You want to pull this? Pull this. Whoa!
Whoa, look. Mama's going to open your present. What's
You
inside?
better open it.
What's inside?
Whoa, hurry!
What's inside?
I don't know.
Open it. Let's find out. Hurry! Pull, honey, pull! Uh-oh.
Okay.
Try again. Pull this one. Oh, okay. Pull one more. Pull. What's this one? Whoa, pull another one. Pull, honey. Open it.
Open it.
Open
It's
it.
Ina's present. What's
Ina's present.
inside?
Open it. There you go.
What is it? Wow.
There you go.
Look, lady, it's our prison.
Open it.
Look, what is that?
You want to put it there?
Job.
Look, me.
I know. Open it.
Oh, Joe. Look, it's our prison.
Wow. What is it?
I open it, Mom. Look, I take the sticker off.
That's right.
Look at me, Mama. I take a sticker off.
Good job.
This may take a while.
Let mommy just help a little bit. We've got 2 layers of wrapping here.
Wow, what's
Battery.
Christmas?
It's Ina's present.
I'm prison.
Ina's present. Here, let's open this, and this, and this, and this, and then we go this way. Uh-oh. Let's pull this one. Pull that. Ina's special present. Oh boy. Now we gotta open this one.
Open it.
Now, oh, there's a card for Ina.
What's that?
What's the
It's Ina's present. Take it.
Take it. What's in there?
Oh.
Wow!
Uh-oh.
New baby!
Baby's crying.
Oh no!
Need bottle.
Need bottle. Give the baby a hug. Give the baby a hug.
It's okay, baby.
It's okay, baby. Baby need bottle.
Okay. Well, I'll give a bottle. Why don't you see what else you got?
What else do you have in there?
What else do you have?
I have baby poo.
Another poo. Another piglet. Sorry. You got two.
Wow.
Where's Rabbit? Oh, Rabbit didn't come in this mail, honey. Look at give Pooh and Piglet a hug. Give Pooh and Piglet a hug. Now you have a Pooh and
Oh no,
another
pig is hungry.
He's hungry?
Aww.
You want to feed?
Who's hungry?
You want to give him something to eat? Some honey?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you
Give
say?
Pooh and Piglet a hug. Mommy wants to take a picture.
What do you say?
He's over
You-
there.
What do you tell Nana?
Tina.
What do you tell Nana for giving you a present?
Say thank you, Nana.
Over here.
Over there. Look at the camera.
Over here.
Look.
Look right here.
What's in there? All done. Look at Daddy and say
What
thank
say?
you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Say cheese.
Say thank you, Nana.
Thank you, Nana.
Ah, give a kiss.
Mm.
Okay.
Alright, can you hug your Pooh and Piglet?